Hey guys, Deronda here, popping in on your midweek to show you how to make this creamy tomato soup. So simple and easy to make, yet so delicious. The ingredients you're going to need is 1 pint of half and half. This is 2 cups. 2 cups of low sodium chicken broth. 2 14.5 ounce cans of diced tomatoes, or if you'd like to go ahead and use a 28 ounce can of diced tomatoes, you may do that too. 4 tablespoons of butter. 1/4 teaspoon of freshly cracked black pepper. 1 teaspoon of sea salt, or you may use a kosher salt or any other salt will do, and 1 cup of chopped onions. Over here to the stove top, in a 2.5 quart saucepan over medium heat, we're going to add the butter along with our cup of chopped onions, and we're going to cook this for 2 to 3 minutes or until the onions are translucent. After 3 minutes of cooking, and I'm turning off our timer, I'm going to add the tomatoes all at once and blend them in with your cooked onions. Add your salt, the pepper, all the chicken broth at once, and give that a lovely little stirring. We're looking for a gentle boil once we add the half and half. The tomatoes smell so yummy. And those onions, this is going to be absolutely fantastic. You may want to crank your heat up to medium high, which I'm going to do right now. It's a great way to jumpstart your gentle boil here on your soup mixture. Once your soup comes to a gentle boil, we're going to turn the heat to simmer, and we're going to time for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes of simmering, we're going to move our soup over here to the back burner and let it cool down for about 10 minutes. Once your soup has cooled slightly, transport it over here to a food processor, or if you'd like to use a blender, you may. We're going to work with small batches at a time. For the top, we're just going to add it on here. Be careful when working with hot liquids. We're going to puree it until you get it the texture you want. Soup's on. Our creamy tomato soup, homemade, loaded with fresh flavors. I like to garnish with a few croutons. This isn't necessary, but I just love the way it looks with some Gruyere cheese and a little sprig of cilantro. Gotta give this a taste. Perfect flavors, creaminess of that half and half. The chicken broth, the tomatoes, and the onions make it yum, yum. You'll give up that canned soup after making your own homemade creamy tomato soup. I'm Deronda with Foods 101. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, hit that notification bell to be the first to get my new YouTube food videos. Thanks a million for watching, and I'll catch you lovely people later.